Hello? Hello? We had me. Hello?
Good afternoon, sir.
Low battery.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Battery going dry. Okay. Last class, what we have completed? ILS modified complete or not? What we are taking, sir, last class? Take next. Ranjit Uttam. See, in this method, lot of problems are there. Ranjit Uttam method, second order, third order, fourth order.
Sir, it is unit 4 or unit 5?
What?
Sir, it is unit 4 or unit 5?
Unit 4 only.
Okay, sir.
Unit 4 another two topics are there. Predictor method and corrector method means unit 4 washout. Okay, yeah. Unit 4, still unit 4 only. Unit 4 notes I will send you, don't worry. Actually, still I have not scanned. Tomorrow I will send you full notes. See, right, you put a fourth order only. We concentrate only on fourth order. These are our based on actually ordinary differential equation. They will give ordinary differential equation. We can solve for at x naught what is the y naught, when x1 what is the y1, slowly we find out. Still here fourth order, what are the formulas we use? See, to solve a differential equation fourth order dy by dx, they will do actually x naught and y naught. They will ask where for x1 for what is the y1 value. So you will get actually how to get x naught. See x naught and x1, which you can see difference order as how much height you will see. Y1 you have to find for x1 value. You have to find y1 value. So to find y1, k1 is equal to what? H into f of x naught y naught. K2 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k1 by 2. K3 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2. K4 is equal to x naught plus h y naught plus k3. Then delta y how you will find out? 1 by 6 k1 2k2 2k3. See there actually I am using k1 by 2 k2 by 2. So for k2 k3 is what by 2 I am using, you can multiply by 2. 2k2 2k3 by k4 you will get delta y. Once if you get the delta y, y1 is equal to what? Y naught plus delta y. Reaching another. Note down first. This is fourth order Runge method. So in your syllabus only fourth order is there, but normally there are a second order is there, third order there. We are not following our syllabus according to syllabus only fourth order Runge method. Note down fast formula. Delta y I will remember 1 by 6 k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 k4 because there k2 k3 I will divide it by k1 by 2 k2 by this is not a logically can remember this, so you can multiply by 2 like this. Copied. Then delta y is equal to 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 k4, where y1 is equal to what? Y1 plus delta y. So to find delta y you need k1 k2 k3 k4. By applying the fourth order Runge-Kutta method, find by applying Runge-Kutta fourth order method, find y of 0.2 applying the fourth order Runge-Kutta method, find y of 0.2 from y dash is equal to y minus x, y of 0 is equal to 2. So from this what you are understanding, h is equal to what? X is equal to 0, x naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to 2. So x1 is what? 0.2. So what is our h? What is our h? What is my h here? Sir, initial value 0 and new value is 0.2 at what? When x is 0.2, what is my value I want to find out? So what is h? How much step I am doing? 0 to up to where I am going? All are sleeping. Up to where I am going? 0.2. Very good. So h is equal to 0.2. But actually textbook they are giving actually I am not mentioned here. So taking h is equal to 0.2, you can note down. Taking h is equal to 0.2. So if they are tell or not, we can able to identify. So initial value is 0. Then at 0.2 means what? H is equal to 0.5 I want to find out. Now who is the f of xy? Y dash you can take as f of xy. So f of xy is equal to what? Y naught minus x. So here x naught is equal to what? 0. Y naught is equal to 2. Now your aim is what? You find k1, k2, k3, k4. Then from this you can find delta y. Once if you find delta y, you will get. Okay. Now k1 is what? H into f of x naught y naught. So h is who is my h here?
So Rahul Verma, Haji Mohammed Khalid.
Okay, yeah. Now k1 is equal to h into f of x naught y naught. Some people have like y naught minus x naught. Don't write it. Then substitute the value. F of 0 comma 2. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to so 2 minus 0 is 2 is 0.2. That is better. Some textbooks how they will let you know y naught minus x naught. Then that is a take. I don't like. If you want, you can follow. That is no issue. So I don't want to restrict you. Then what is the k1 value? Tell me. H is here. Sorry, taking h is equal to 0.2 is telling 0.1. H is equal to 0.1. Means two steps you have to find out. X1 is 0.1. What is y1? X2 is equal to 0.2. What is y2? You have to find two values. Correct or not? No, Paul. So, h is equal to 0.2. Sorry, take the problem. Taking h is equal to 0.1 you can take. So, when x1 is equal to, now you can change, sorry. Now what you will get, tell me, 0.1 into 2 is what? .2. Now K2 is what? H into f of x naught plus h by 2. See the formula what they given? Plus y naught plus k1 by 2. Now this h is what? 0.1 f of x naught is what? 0. 0, h is what? 0.1. 0.1 by 2. 0.1 by 2 what will get, tell me? 0.05, huh? Comma. Then y naught plus k1 by 2. Y naught is what? 2. K1 by 2 is what? 0.2 by 2. So what you will get? .1 you will get. Now, function value what I want to find out at f of 0.05 comma 2.1. X value is what? 0.05. Y value is what? 2.1. Now what is my function y minus x? Just you can do now what is the value? Find out. Using calculator you have to tell sir. Don't sit idly. 2.1 minus 0.005. What do you get? Into 0.1. Now, what is K3? K3 formula is what? H into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus k2 by 2. What is K3 value? 0.1. Then f of h by 2 is what? 0.05. Then y naught plus k2 by 2. Who is y naught? 2. 2 plus k2 by 2. Who is k2? Still I have not applied the function. Just f of 1 comma 2 means what? X value is equal to 1, y value is equal to 2. Just I am preparing f of xy, f of xy, f of xy. But textbook what they will let directly k naught by x by 2, y naught by 2. They will substitute place y is equal to y naught. I don't want to do. First I want to find f of something, then I will substitute it. So this value what you will get, tell me? 2.1025. Now K3 is what? 0.1 into function value at 0.05 comma 2.105. You don't confuse function value at and after substituting the function value is different. F of x comma y value is what? Function value at x comma value. F of 1 comma 2 means what? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Now, who is my function actually? Y minus x is my function. There you can substitute what is x value, what is y value. So, y minus x. Solve and tell me. Sir, don't copy it down blindly. You also check using calculator, same value are cutting or not. if we get the K3, go for K4. What is the K4? K4 is equal to H into F of x naught plus x, comma, y naught plus k. Who is y naught? 2. K3 is what? See, K4 value, function value at 0.1 comma 2.20525. So from this what you understand actually, x is equal to substituted 0.1, y value you can substitute 2.20525. Correct or not? Now, what you will do, this substituted, what is my f of x, y minus x. Y minus x means what? That value you can substitute. So this meaning is what? F of x comma y, x value at 0.1, y value. So in textbook they may write again and again, you can don't confuse. I am doing in different method, textbook they may do in different style. Find the value K4. What is the K4 you can substitute, find out. K4 is equal to 0.21 0525. Once if you get K1, K2, K3, K4, means delta y is equal to what I said, 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. Once if you get the delta y, then y1 is equal to what? Y0 plus delta y. Correct? Now come on. Sorry, 2 into plus 2K2, 2K3. Find out value. Now y1 is equal to what? y naught plus delta y. Y naught is what 2. 2 plus this value. Now from this what you understand? X not 0, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0.1. Y value is what? 2.2051. Now I need actually 0.2. Now what I will do? This I will take as initial value. I will go for the further step. Do fast. This I will take x naught y naught. For this x1 y1 I will go. Or this you can take as x1 y1 to find x2. Nothing will happen. So you need to be given x naught y naught. X where at x1 what is y1 I got. But x2 what is y2 I want to find out. This you can take as x0 y0 you can find y1 or you can take this bit as x1 y1. You can go for y2 as you like. You can do nothing will happen. So now actually y2 is equal to what you get y1 plus delta y. This delta y I want to find out. This delta y is what again? 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 2k3 plus k4. Now who is k1? H into f of x naught don't write because we got it by 2. So x1 plus h y1 plus fx1 y1. K1 is equal to what? F of x1 comma y1. Now h is what here 0.1 only. F of who is x1? 0.1. Y1 is what? 2.20517. So function value is 0.1 and this. So y minus x. Then what is the value? You can find new k1 value. K1. Now k2 is what? Each of x1 plus h by 2 y1 plus k1 by 2 0.1 f of who is my x1? 0.1 0.1 plus 0.1 by 2 comma who is my y1? 2.20517 plus k1 by 2 is what? 0.2105 by 2. I'm not substituting inside the function. Functional value at x comma y only I'm finding. Now K2 is equal to what I will get 0.1 f of. Find out 0.1 plus 0.1 by 2 is what? Then this value what you got? So 2.20517 plus 0.2105 is equal to 2.21042. This is nothing but what x comma y. Still I am not substituting function f of x comma y only I am writing. So this is equal to what? 0.1. Now what is my f of x y minus x? So find the value. At least any one of you tell wrong answer also no problem. Again K3. H into f of x1 by h by 2 plus y1 plus k2 by 2. What is I know x1 plus h by 2 already I got 0.15. Y1 is what? 2.57 plus K2 is K2. Now I got 0.21604 by 2. This value you can find out. Value I got. See, is 2.2051 plus this value actually. Still I am not substituted this. I written as f of x comma y only. What is my f of x y? Y minus x. Just you can substitute it there. Correct or not? So f of x y is different. Function is different. There may be some textbooks they will write y naught comma x naught x, so I don't want to do. So functional value at x comma y. What is my x value here? What is my x? 0.15. What is my y value? 2.31319. Now function of x y is what? Y minus x. Right? Now y minus x 2.31319 minus 0.15. Up to now I am writing functional value only. Some textbook they will write actually y1 minus x1 y1 is I am not writing function of x comma y only. That is what is my function of x y minus x. Now you find the value. Satya Rahul.
Sir, point two 16319.
Yes, any doubt?
Sir, it is coming 0.216319.
Very great. Good. Tell me value.
0.216319.
Very good. I got actually 0.21632. Nice. Okay, this I will take. You take your value. Okay. Now write what is the K4 formula? Let me check whether I understood or not. K4 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h plus, sorry, not x naught, x1, y1 plus k3. Who is my x1? 0.1 plus 0.1. Who is my y1? Plus k3 0.21632. I'll find out. Find out the value. Two point 42149. Don't copy down, simply use your calculator and confirm. Now, who is my f of x y minus x?
Sir, it is coming 0.227149.
Mohammed sir?
0.227149.
I got 0.22214. Okay, I will copy my value, you do your value. Okay. what? K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. What I told, because there K1 by 2, K2 by 2 we are doing for K2, K3 values, there you can multiply by 2. Remember like this. Okay or not? So, because to find K2 what I will do K1 by 2. To find K3 what I will do K3 by 2. So I will divide it by 2, just you can multiply by 2 here. So, delta y I got now y2 is equal to what? Hey, class input kappa. So what is the value? Tell me. So y2 value is equal to what? 2 point. See, they given x naught, y naught. They asked where is 0.2, but h is equal to 0.1 is asking. So I am finding x1, y1, then x2, y2. Getting or not? Suppose if they are not mentioned, h is equal to 0.2, y of 0.2 means directly I will go. I don't want to do that 2 steps. Okay. Okay. I'll stop here. Meet next class. Just practice the problems and send you. Okay, can leave now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.